Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. So in this video we are going to review the Xiaomi's latest Mi Band 4 and we'll see if it's worth the upgrade. So every year, every company launches successor to their original products with upgrades to the latest trends and customer feedback, and this was the time for the Xiaomi to upgrade its original Mi Band series. So Xiaomi came up with their Mi Band 4 with some latest updates. We will talk about all these updates, everything about the band in a minute, but before that let's just do a quick unboxing and then we will talk about it. So here is the shipping package in which the Mi Band 4 is, but this is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this. So here is the retail box of the Mi Band 4, and as you can see, here is the Mi Band image itself. Here it says Mi logo and we have this very designer 4 number on the bottom. It also lists some of the features down here like the color touchscreen, 580 water resistant, message view and 20 days of battery life, which is awesome. Now moving on, we also see some more features like the notification display, sleep and step auto monitoring. But moving further, on the other side we have some more features like various exercise modes and heart rate monitor, and on the back we have some more stuff. This is not very important, I guess. And either I'm also very excited to open this up, so let's just quickly unbox this and see the Mi Band 4 itself. So here's the Mi Band 4, and now we don't need this box, I guess. But other than that, we have some more accessories in the box like this charging dock, the updated charging dock, and this very thick user manual to get you started. Now along with unboxing, let's also set it up. So it's also very quick and easy process. All you need to do is just download the Mi Fit app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, then just open it up and sign in or create a new account, and after you are logged in, just tap on this add button and then select the band and tap on OK, and then allow all the permissions. Then you need to turn on the Bluetooth of your device. Now it is searching for devices. Also just install this Mi Band tracker onto the dock so it powers on. So we have this notification popped up to accept the pairing request. Tap. So the device is successfully paired, and after that it will pop up a tutorial, all the features. So this is how to set up the Mi Band 4, and now let's move to the review of this Mi Band 4 and test it out in the real world. So starting with the design, the Mi Band 4 looks just like any other traditional health tracking band, and it's also very identical to the original Mi Band 3, but in that we had curved display, whereas now we have a flat sort of display. Also, this is something the main attraction of this year's Mi Band. Here we have a most requested color 0.95 inch AMOLED color touchscreen display with a resolution of 120 by 240 pixels. As the owner released Honor Band 4 last year, this was the most requested feature for the Mi Band series, and now finally we have this colored display in the Mi Band 4 now. So for the display itself, it's very beautiful and very bright. You can easily use this in bright sunlight without any problem. The brightness is also 400 nits, so you can judge by that. So overall the band is well designed and also it's well built. You can expect this thing to last. Although the screen is a little bit prone to scratches, so you might consider putting a screen guard on this. But for the band, if you get some wear and tear, then you can just have the option to replace it anytime. And also the band has a water resistant of 50 meters, so you can use it without any worries. Now moving on, we have some standard features of any fitness tracking bands, like it can count your steps, calories burned, heart rate monitoring and app notification. But other than that, we have sports mode, which can track multiple activities like outdoor run, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise and swimming. The band is also capable of tracking sleep, so it gives you data like sleep time, deep, light, awake time, and also gives you an overall score of the night. Other than those basic features, we have more features like custom watch faces, which means you can add install additional watch faces to your Mi Band according to your liking and all the customization needs. Xiaomi offers some pre-built watch faces in the Mi Fit app, but it also supports third-party apps, so it allows us to choose from thousands of watch faces. Now this time another feature we get is the music control page, which means the band is now capable of controlling media playback straight from the band. To be honest, this feature is lifesaver for me. I need this all the time because I don't want to take out phone out of my pocket to change tracks, adjust the volume and all that stuff. And although you can adjust these things from the earphones, the inline remote thing, but you don't get to see what track it is playing and you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds to recognize what the song is playing. But with the Mi Band you can see what song it is and you can easily fly through your playlist just like that. So those were some of the features of the Mi Band 4, but now let's talk about the app that goes in conjunction with this band, which is the Mi Fit app itself. So to use this band you need to download this Mi Fit app by Xiaomi. It's a decent app, I would say. Gives you all of the reports of your activities. On the homepage it gives you all the briefing and you can check them in details with just a tap. In the app you can further tweak the settings of the band and adjust it according to your needs. So overall for the app is very pleasing to use and you can find all the things easily in the app, like you get very detailed reports and all the measurings in one place. This was something that was a bit difficult in the Huawei Health app, which goes with the Honor Band 5, but with the Mi Band 4 I was pretty impressed with the Mi Fit app. Now there is one downside I noticed in the Mi Band 4, which is a little bit of accuracy, because when I was riding a bike it counts some false steps, it add additional false steps to the counting. So this is something you should consider when picking up the Mi Band 4. But now if we talk about the battery life on the Mi Band 4, then I would say it has an amazing battery life. It has a battery of 135 mAh, which almost takes around 2 hours to charge full, and after that I was able to get a 25-ish days of battery backup, which is amazing for a fitness band like this. But one more thing I have complaints about the Mi Band 4 is the charging dock itself. So this time around Xiaomi updated its charging dock from the Mi Band 3. We have this bathtub like a design with the charging dock, which means we have to take out the tracker from the band and put it here to start charging, which is a little bit annoying, but you might have to do this in 20 to 25 days, so it's still manageable. But if this was something like a direct connection like of we get to see in the Honor Band 5, then it would be very convenient to use. But moving on to the last thing in this review, which is the price itself. So for the price, the Xiaomi's Mi Band 4 is priced at $50 on Amazon.com and $30 on AliExpress, which is around 2000 rupees. And as of now, this is not launched in India, so you still have to manage to get it somehow out of India, like from China. So the best and cheapest option is to get it from AliExpress, and also links to all this is down below so you can take a look at it. But when it will be launched in India and other places, I will update all the links in the description, so make sure you keep an eye on that. But overall the Mi Band 4 is pretty decent health tracking band for a price like this. When comparing this with the Mi Band 3, we have the color display, 6-axis motion sensor, and music control page, watch faces, and some pretty more features. So if you're considering to buy a new fitness tracking band, then Mi Band 4 would be a good choice. Although Honor Band 5 is also a good option. So if you're a little bit confused between the Honor Band 5 and the Mi Band 4, by the way, both of these are amazing fitness tracking band. But if you're still confused which one to buy, then you can check out my full comparison video in the top right corner from the info card. But that's been it, guys. That was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.